Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. I'm Jennifer Bands, and today I'm going to show you how to make my cheddar biscuits, keto cheddar biscuits, and we are going to make a bacon butter. Yes, you heard that right, bacon butter. It is super delicious, and these biscuits are so easy to make. You can make them any day of the week in the morning for breakfast, and everyone's going to love them. So let's get started. So for our biscuits, these are cheddar biscuits they also have garlic in them, garlic powder. So we've got some almond flour here, and we're gonna add in some garlic powder to give them some good flavor. And this is baking powder. And we've got a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in our cheddar cheese. This is pre-shredded cheddar cheese. Yes, I use pre-shredded cheddar cheese. I love shortcut ingredients, shortcuts for my recipes. So I use pre-shredded. And if you want, you can shred your own. It would work just fine. And we're gonna also add some melted butter. And we've got 4 eggs. And now we're just gonna stir this all up. Okay, we mixed up our batter, and now we've got my handy dandy kitchen scoop that I love so much. It's perfect for cookies, different sizes of course. Cookies, biscuits, it's perfect. Makes all of your scoops equal sizes so they cook evenly. So I'm going to scoop these out onto my sheet pan, and we've lined it with a silicone baking mat. You could also use parchment paper, you could use foil. And these are gonna bake in a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes, and they come out perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna just press these down a little bit with my fingers just so that they are a little flatter, because keto foods or keto baked goods really don't spread like regular baked goods. These are ready for the oven. Okay, while our biscuits are cooking, we can make the bacon butter. And so we've already cooked and crumbled 4 slices of bacon. Well, we cooked it and it's already chopped up. And so I've got a whole stick of butter here that we cut into squares, and it's soft. So we're gonna put it in the food processor, this little mini chopper. It's gonna be perfect for making this bacon butter. Scrape that down, push that down in there. Scrape the sides, and then we'll pulse it again. Ooh. Okay, this looks perfect. So we're just gonna scrape this out into our cute little bowl here. And look at that, perfect bacon butter. Yum, yum, yum. So excited. It's so good with our biscuits. Okay, we can set this aside until our biscuits are all ready. Okay, our biscuits are out of the oven and they look so amazing. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, let me slice into one, and then we will slap some bacon butter on there. Ooh, yeah. Can't have enough bacon butter. Let's get a taste. Those are so good. The little bit of garlic powder really adds a lot of flavor. And the cheddar, so dang good. you might want to tell your family or friends that, you know, they really weren't that good, so I'm just going to leave them at home. If you were planning on taking them anywhere, you just tell them they're not that good. You just leave them at your house. But I hope you guys try this recipe and you love it. And you can find the link to the recipe in the description below. Or you can go to my blog, jenniferbands.com, and search for Keto Biscuits. And go over there to my blog and drop me a comment. Let me know how much you love the recipe, or if you have any questions, just let me know over there on my blog. And I will see you guys later. Bye.